Oh man, you fit in there?
I think so. Got it.
Close it out. Okay. Shh, stay there.
Your brother? Yeah. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure. Yeah, she's cool. Her reputation, guys, she's been you don't want her with your mother. It's a terrible no, none of that. Yeah. That hair. Person. The hair is so bad. The frizzy and wild everywhere. Like my brother needs like athletic kids, you know? Like she's not very tall. No. We want tall babies. We want tall babies. Yeah. Tall, like yes, like and yeah. So anyway, it's just like super annoying. But it's fine, like yeah. I mean with her attitude I'm just gonna get $20 out, right? Yeah, that should be enough. That should be enough. Just 20. It's not coming out. Are you okay? It's not coming out. The cash didn't come out, and it ate my card. It ate your card? Yeah, the card's not coming back out. And look at the screen. It's not giving me an option to get my card back out. Do it again. Pick it. Oh my god. This is great. Oh my gosh. Have it all. See that it ate my card. Who cares? You're rich. Okay, yeah, you're right.